Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're discussing how to remove your VPN from OPay. Launch the OPay app on your device and log in with your credentials. After that, tap on your profile or account settings, usually found in the top left or right corner. After that, look for the option related to your BVN or identity verification. After that, you may find an option to remove or unlink your VPN from the OPay account. If not, there should be an option to edit your VPN information. If you're still unable to remove the VPN directly through the app, you'll need to contact OPay's customer support. So use the in-app chat feature, email, or call their support team to request the removal of your VPN. OPay may require some verification or processing time. Once they've successfully removed your VPN, you'll be notified. Guys, thank you for watching this small one. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.